Hello everyone, this is Dr. Srinivasan, um, Professor CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to talk about the digital addresses in Bitcoin network. In Bitcoin network, digital addresses of wallets are created using the public key as well as the private key. Typically, it starts with the private key and it hashes the private key twice. Uh, First with SHA-256 algorithm, then RIPE MD160 algorithm. After applying those two algorithms, it is prefixed with their version number. After that, it is encoded with a base 58 check encoding scheme. Bitcoin addresses are of 26 to 35 character long and they begin with a digit 1 or 3. And this diagram shows how Bitcoin addresses are created. It starts with the public key, and we know public keys are derived from the private key, and the public key is hashed twice using the SHA-256 algorithm and the RIPE MD160 algorithms. Once the size of the public key is reduced into 160 bits key, it is encoded using base 58 check algorithms. So after that, we will get the Bitcoin address. We commonly use the QR code for distributing the Bitcoin addresses across the network. And we are using the two types of addresses. One is pay to public key hash, P2PKH type Bitcoin addresses. Those digital addresses are started with the number one, and another type of address is pay to script hash type address, and it starts with a number three. The base 58 check encoding scheme is mainly used to avoid the confusion among the characters that look very similar in some fonts. So it gives a unique identity to each character so that it avoids any confusions. Usually, this encoding scheme takes the binary byte arrays and convert them into human readable strings. These strings is composed by utilizing the set of 58 alphanumeric symbols. Apart from the normal procedure, we can have a unique personalized addresses in the Bitcoin network. Those are called vanity addresses. They are generated purely through brute force method. Vanity addresses are custom valid addresses. They are created using the specific algorithms. They are incorporating a chosen sequence of characters and it makes them more easily identifiable. It also supports multi-signature addresses. These addresses require multiple private keys. In order to release the coins, it requires a set of signatures in addition to a single signature. So it is known as N of N multi-sig. Here M represents the threshold or the maximum number of signatures required to complete the transaction from N number of keys. Then only the fund will be released from the wallet. Thank you.